Hello and welcome to this lecture where we will create a form handler together. So to create one, you navigate to Content, you search for Form Handlers, and then you click Add Form Handler. For this demo, let's say that this is your website. This is the form on your website and you want to create a form handler for this one. As a reminder, when it comes to form handlers, you already have a form on your website, and the form handler plays the role of a bridge between the form from the website and account engagement. So navigate back, you give it a name, choose a campaign, you choose a folder first, you choose a campaign, and you have a list of options here. Personally, I'm not going to check none of them to make the demo as simple and to the point as possible. But let's say, for instance, that you want to enable the data to the success location, then you have to click on to check this one. For the rest, I would recommend you to make some research and see if they work to your business needs. For the success location, you have two options, referent URL and specific URL. Referent URL meaning the URL of the form handler or a specific URL. Let's say if the form is well completed by the prospect, we will redirect him to the Pardot course. And let's say if there was an issue, we will redirect them to the form page. Similar to forms, you can create as many actions as you want. We can create an action, for instance, add to a campaign. And then this is an important form, the form field mapping. So since the form is in your website, you want to make sure that the fields on the website corresponds to the fields that you are gonna capture in order to ensure that you're capturing appropriate data. So you map each field from account engagement with the fields from your form on the website. For instance, let's say email address. We're going to update it. So the external field name is email address. And the prospect field is email. We save the changes. You can add as many fields as you need, depending, of course, on the form you have. We can add again company. External field name is company. So the fields that corresponds to company for us is company, similar. Data format is a text required. If you want to make it required, of course, you save change and you keep doing the same for all of your form. That's it. Then you click create form handler. That's it. You have managed to create your first form handler. Next, we will test it together.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Pardot today, click the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.